Welcome to my channel. Flights assistants do online check-in first. Recommended 24 to 48 hours before departure. Most airlines open online check-in 24 to 48 hours before the flight. Some low-cost carriers up to 30 days. Use the airline's official app or website, enter your booking reference, PNR, and last name, select your seat, add any extras, bags, meals, and receive your digital boarding pass on your phone. This saves huge time at the airport and often lets you skip the regular check-in queue. Arrive at the airport with the correct time buffer even with online check-in. Arrive at least, domestic flights, 90 minutes before departure. International flights, 3 hours before departure. Many airlines close bag drop desks 45 to 60 minutes before departure. Head to the baggage drop, or self-service check-in area if you have no checked luggage and already have a mobile boarding pass. You can usually go straight to security, huge time saver. Find an available self-service kiosk. These are touchscreen machines, usually branded with the airline's logo. They are grouped in rows. If you already checked in online, you can still use a kiosk just to print your bag tag. Start the process on the kiosk. Choose your language. Right pointing arrow, select check in, or I already checked in, print bag tag. Right pointing arrow, scan your passport or enter your booking reference, 6-character PNR, and last name. Right pointing arrow, the kiosk will recognize your booking instantly. Confirm passenger details and seat. The kiosk shows your name, flight number, destination, and current seat. Change seat if you want, free or paid depending on airline. Confirm all details are correct. Declare checked baggage. Tell the kiosk how many bags you want to check, 0, 1, 2. If you prepaid online, it will show 0 cost. If not, you may pay here by card, usually more expensive than paying online. Print and attach bag tags. The kiosk prints sticky bag tags. Take the tag, wrap the loop around your suitcase handle, and stick it securely. A small receipt sticker is also printed. Stick this on the back of your passport or boarding pass, useful if the main tag tears off. Drop your bags at the designated belt within 10 to 20 meters of the kiosks. There is usually a baggage drop, conveyor belt or counter. Place your tagged bag on the belt, handle facing out. The belt weighs it automatically. A staff member or screen will confirm, bag accepted. Keep the bag tag receipt until you reach your final destination. Proceed to security with your boarding pass. You now have either a mobile boarding pass or a printed one from the kiosk. Go through security screening, then immigration, for international flights, and head to your gate. Many airports now have automated gates that scan your mobile boarding pass, no human needed. Quick tips and AMP. Common mistakes to avoid: have your passport and any required visas, health documents ready. The kiosk may ask to scan them. If traveling with infants or special assistants, go to a staffed counter instead of the kiosk. Low-cost carriers, Ryanair, EasyJet, Spirit, etc., are very strict. If you don't check in online and prepare your boarding pass, they charge high fees at the airport. Always screenshot your mobile boarding pass in case Wi-Fi is down at the gate. If the kiosk says, "See agent," don't panic. Just take your passport and go to the special assistance or business class counter. It usually means visa check, a regular ticket, or overbooked flight. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.